Here is how selection violates Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium. The example organism is the peanut M&M creatures. They come in 3 coat colors, yellow, orange, and red. The genotypes for these are big A, big A, big A, and little a, little a. The number of individuals before selection is 8 red, 24 orange, and 18 yellow, which is 50 total individuals. I know this population is in Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium because at equilibrium, the genotypic frequencies follow this equation and are equal to 1. This equation is true for the population of peanut M&M creatures shown. The frequency of the big A and little a alleles was calculated. P is used to represent the frequency of the big A allele, and Q is used to represent the frequency of the little a allele. The values for P and Q are then used to calculate the frequency of each genotype. The genotype frequencies can be added together in the Harvey-Weinberg equation and are equal to 1, proving that this population is in Harvey-Weinberg equilibrium. Because it is in equilibrium, we know that there is an infinitely large population represented by these peanut M&M creatures. There is a completely random mating. All genotypes are equally fit. There is no migration, and there are no mutations. So what happens if the equilibrium is violated by selection occurring? We can see how the population changes after selection occurs by making a table for calculations. The initial genotype frequency was calculated earlier when we proved that the population was in Harvey-Weinberg equilibrium. The fitness for big A, which is red phenotype, is 0.5. The fitness for big A, which is orange phenotype, is 0.75, and the fitness for little a, which is yellow, is 1. The initial frequency multiplied by the fitness gives the unadjusted survivors of each genotype. Adding the unadjusted survivors from each group together gives the average fitness, W. Dividing the unadjusted survivors by the average fitness, W, then gives the relative frequency of each genotype after selection has occurred. Only half of the red M&M creatures were fit, 75% of the orange M&M creatures were fit, and all of the yellow M&M creatures were fit, so the unfit creatures are removed. And the population is no longer in Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium. These are the new allele and genotype frequencies. What type of selection did these M&M creatures undergo? The fitness of big A was the lowest, and the fitness of little a was the highest. So this population of M&M creatures underwent directional selection. If this pattern continues, all the creatures will be yellow, little a.